Hello and welcome to WendBooks Solutions. Today we're going to talk about customers and or customer related transactions. Now, in order to access the customers, you need to go to the customers on the top here and then customer center. And here is a list of all available clients. Now, first thing first, so how to create a new customer. From the top menu, new customer, just start typing customer details. Okay, here we have the salutation, first name, last name, email. Is very important to type email. Remember that the address section is what will be shown on your invoice, so if you just type the full address here the way you want it to appear on the invoice and quotations and other related transactions. You just need to complete the customer setup. You need to go to the account details and fill in one very important information here, the accounts receivable. Remember from the chart of accounts that the accounts receivable is the control account that controls the client, so you have to choose the default accounts receivable for this client. Now, you can select whether this account is blocked or not. If a customer account is blocked, that cannot be used on invoices or any other transaction apart from receiving payments and allocate funds. You also can select whether this client is inactive or inactive. Okay, this is an active client. You fill in all the information. Can also select a picture here. Now you can use memo to type anything related about this customer which you can later want to search here. So if you have any important information that you want to be searchable from the customer center, then you can type it here. So for example, this is brother of Alex, so save and close. Remember to click refresh at the top. If you just type Alex here, among other results, you also see this new client. Okay, so again, you can filter, show all or show active only, or close the filter here. Now, by selecting one client, how you edit the client, simply double click, go edit, change picture, do whatever you want. Now, I want you to pay attention to the hierarchy here. For example, this is a sub-client of Alex Papadopoulos. Maria also is a sub-client of Alex Papadopoulos. So how do I handle this hierarchy here and what the hierarchy means? Okay, this is my new client here. So if I want this client be part of sorry for that, just a second. Okay, if I want to add a new project or a new sub-client under this client here, so when I go to new customer again, I just start typing this is a new client, but actually it's under George Georgiou Trading, so I may still have a different first name, last name. So I fill all the information here. Remember, the address field should contain everything that should be on the invoice. This is what will show up on the invoice. Remember again that I have to come to this section and select the proper accounts receivable account, save and close, click refresh, and here is the new sub-client. Now suppose I want to move these, so under the George Georgiou Trading, save and close, so refresh, and here it is. Now it doesn't matter if this client has transaction or not, we'll bring all related transactions together. So here is my customer list. Now I can sort it, of course, by balance. I can sort it by name. Click refresh to sort it to the original order. Remember that if I click on a client, then at the right side I see all related transactions. Again, I can filter what to see, the dates as well. Okay, I can search from current results. I can also at the top here I can expand and see the graph, change the graph settings, or compare by year. Okay. I also see the documents section. I can attach documents of this client. I can attach document from my computer directly, or drag and drop from your Outlook application, drag and drop an email here. It's very useful when you want to relate electronic files to this client directly, agreements or anything similar like that. I also have notes. I can attach as many notes as I need. Here is a list of notes. Okay, so this is the customer center. By looking on a transaction here, you can always see whether this transaction has attachment or this transaction has notes. Double click and you get the transaction in front of you. Here it is. Okay, you can also move to the transactions. Do you see the tab here? This is customers and this is the transactions tab, where I see all transactions gathered together. For example, if I want to see all invoices, here is a list of all the invoices. Note at the bottom that I've got total 45 invoices, and this is the total debit, credit, zero of course, and this is the total balance. Okay, I can choose to show only open invoices. Open invoices means invoices that have not been paid yet. Credit notes, see all the credit notes together. Payments, cash sales, quotations. You can choose whether to see all quotations or open quotations or manually closed. This is equal to not awarded quotations that have been rejected by the client. So from the list here, I see that I've got in total 2 quotations, totally 226 euros that have been rejected by the client, and I also see the aborted quotations. Okay, and also see the sales orders where I can see all or just the open one. Okay, moving back to the clients, I can start a quotation from here: sales order, invoice, credit note, cash sale, receive payment, allocate funds. Now if I want to delete a client, simply click delete client, but of course you cannot delete it if this client is has related transactions on it. Or let's say I'm trying to move this one, there are no transactions under those two sub-clients. Oh, there is one. Okay, let me just move it back. Okay, this is a standalone client. Remember to click refresh. Now it's a standalone client. So there are no transactions here, no transactions here, but I'm trying to delete the root. Won't let me do this because I'm trying to delete the root client, and it found that there are sub-clients under this client I'm trying to delete. So you need to delete the child, the sub-client first, and then delete the root client. Okay, so that's all basically about handling customers. Thank you for watching. Bye.